Listen, I am inviting you into my sacred space to share with you the unboxing of our ROAR Business Accelerator swag gift boxes. Okay? Now, some of you know, some of you may not know that we just recently ended our ROAR Business Accelerator, which is our 8-week premium cohort. It is designed for business women that are ready to scale, ready to get to that next level, ready to find the hidden revenue in their businesses. We just completed it, and I believe in good swag, okay? And I believe in a premium program having a premium, not only helping you create offers, I want to offer our participants, our students, something for being a part of the accelerator. So I want to show you these amazing swag boxes that we had shipped all the way from the D, from Detroit, from Motown City, right? And I'm excited about it, okay? So let me show y'all. What we looking at. This box right here is, as you see, the ROAR Business Accelerator VIP box, okay? So if you need a good swag, y'all see the line. When you see the line, you know what it is, okay? So here we go. Is that not amazing? Finding your ROAR at the top. I'm gonna read to y'all what it says. You found your ROAR. Now keep building. This box is more than a gift. It's a reminder that your voice, your vision, and your brilliance are unstoppable. You didn't just take a program, you took the first step into your CEO era. Welcome to the legacy you're building. Keep roaring. Dion Griffin McGee. Okay? I love some swag, y'all. And I love to take care of and love on our clients. For real. Okay, so listen. Here we go. Y'all see this? Do y'all see this? Like we not playing any games, okay? It's tight up in here. I hate to undo the sticker. You see the sticker? Yes. Look at this. Look at this. We got our thank you cards to our clients, okay? This one is my box, right? I'm gonna show you what they get. They get a copy of course, Finding Your ROAR. This book tells you why I became an entrepreneur, why I had no choice. You understand? Like, there's some things that I'm just not going to tolerate, and injustice is one of those things. As you know, if you don't know, ROAR means to be relentless, optimistic, ambitious, and results-driven, okay? They get the Finding Your ROAR tee in the swag box, okay? Yes. I love a good pen, okay? I'm a pen snob. Definitely it's got to be a good writing pen. They get their ROAR Business Accelerator journal so they can take notes in the program when they go to other events as well. But I'm definitely a pen snob, okay? And of course, we got to have our branded colors. And anybody that knows me knows that I love a good mug and some good coffee, okay? Y'all see it? Get into it. Dion McGee. It's a vibe, okay? Like, for real, okay? It's your good old coffee mug. We have our privacy screen cover here as well. And I think she put something a little special in my box. And then they also have a special reception, which is what we're about to. Ooh, y'all see this? Do y'all see this? This is, oh my goodness. Do y'all see this? This is a whole keychain. But look here. The QR code is on the back. Look at that. Y'all scan the QR code. Okay, see where it takes you. This is not a game. Next level, next season. If you are ready to scale your business and get to the next level, you need to be a part of the ROAR Business Accelerator. We start back up in September, and we would love to have you be a part of our 8-week program. Love good swag. I love a good brand. I love good marketing. And it just goes up from here. And we would not have this marketing and branding if it wasn't for Kenya. So Kenya Carter, thank you so much for all that you do. To Elena Pinckney, y'all stay tuned for this new website. Like, y'all haven't seen anything yet. It goes up from here. I promise you, it does. TG McGee, signing off.